Imagine if you could see in complete darkness, detect electricity and water, or even regrow an entire arm after losing it. It might sound like something from a superhero movie. But on Earth, some animals already have these incredible abilities. Real superpowers that humans simply do not have. Today, we are going to explore some of the most amazing animal abilities in nature. And by the end of this video, you might realize that the real superheroes are not in comic books. They are in the animal kingdom. Let's start with one of the most fascinating abilities in nature. Animals like bats and dolphins can actually see using sound. They produce high-frequency sounds that travel through the air or water. When those sounds hit objects, they bounce back as echoes. Their brains analyze these echoes and create a detailed map of their surroundings. This allows bats to fly through pitch-black caves without crashing into anything. Even more impressive, they can detect insects as small as mosquitoes while flying at high speed. Dolphins use the same technique underwater. Even in dark or murky water, they can locate fish and navigate easily. Humans rely mostly on vision, but these animals have a completely different way of understanding the world. For them, darkness is not a problem at all. Now, imagine losing a body part and then growing it back perfectly. For humans, that is impossible, but for some animals, it is completely normal. Take the axolotl, for example. This incredible amphibian can regenerate entire body parts. If it loses a leg, it can grow a new one. It can also regenerate parts of its heart, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. What makes this even more amazing is that the new body parts grow back perfectly, almost like nothing ever happened. Another incredible example is the starfish. Some species can regenerate an entire body from just one arm. Scientists are studying these animals closely because understanding regeneration could one day help humans heal serious injuries in new ways. Next, let's talk about vision. Humans think we have good eyesight, but compared to some animals, our vision is actually quite average. Take the eagle. Eagles have some of the sharpest eyesight in the animal world. An eagle flying high in the sky can spot a rabbit from several kilometers away. Their vision is estimated to be 4 to 5 times sharper than human vision. This allows them to detect even the smallest movements on the ground while flying hundreds of meters above. But even more extraordinary is the mantis shrimp. This small ocean creature has one of the most complex visual systems on Earth. Humans have 3 types of color receptors in our eyes, but mantis shrimp have up to 16. That means they can see colors humans cannot even imagine. Their vision is so advanced that scientists are still trying to fully understand how it works. Now, let's go deeper into the ocean, where some predators have a very unusual ability. Sharks can detect electricity. Every living creature produces tiny electrical signals through muscle movements and heartbeats. Sharks have special organs, called ampullae of Lorenzini, that allow them to detect these signals. This means a shark can sense the presence of prey, even if it is hidden under sand or in dark water. Imagine trying to hide from a predator that can literally detect the electrical signals coming from your body. For sharks, hunting is not just about sight or smell. They can sense life itself. Humans have absolutely no ability like this. Next is something even more mysterious: magnetic navigation. Some animals can sense the Earth's magnetic field. This gives them a natural navigation system, almost like an internal GPS. Sea turtles are one of the best examples. They travel thousands of kilometers across the ocean during their lives. Yet many of them return to the exact same beach where they were born. Scientists believe they use the Earth's magnetic field to guide them. Another animal with this incredible ability is the homing pigeon. Pigeons can travel hundreds of kilometers away and still find their way home with incredible accuracy. Humans rely on maps, satellites, and GPS technology. But these animals carry their navigation system inside their bodies. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive camouflage abilities in nature: the octopus. Octopuses can change their color almost instantly to match their surroundings. Within seconds, they can blend perfectly with rocks, coral, or sand. But it does not stop there. They can also change the texture of their skin, making it look rough like rocks or smooth like sand. This allows them to hide from predators or sneak up on prey without being seen. Scientists believe octopus camouflage is so advanced that it could even inspire future technology for camouflage materials. Now let's move to land and talk about speed. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth. It can reach speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Its body is perfectly built for speed, with long legs, a flexible spine, and a long tail that helps with balance and steering. During a chase, the cheetah can accelerate incredibly fast, catching prey in a matter of seconds. However, these bursts of speed can only last for a short time, usually about 20 to 30 seconds. Even so, no human runner can come close to matching this incredible speed. Finally, we come to one of the toughest creatures on Earth, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals have some of the most extreme survival abilities ever discovered. They can survive freezing temperatures, extreme heat, intense radiation, and crushing pressure. Amazingly, they can even survive the vacuum of space. When conditions become too harsh, tardigrades enter a special state where their bodies almost completely shut down. In this state, they can survive for years without water. Then, when water returns, they wake up and continue living as if nothing happened. Because of this incredible resilience, many scientists believe tardigrades may be the most durable animals on Earth. Nature is full of extraordinary abilities that seem almost supernatural. From bats that see using sound, to sharks that detect electricity, to animals that can regenerate entire body parts. The animal kingdom is full of real superpowers, and by studying these abilities, scientists may one day discover new technologies and medical breakthroughs that could help humans in the future. So the next time you think about superheroes, remember this: some of the most amazing powers already exist, and they belong to the animals that share our planet.
Want to grow on YouTube? Hit subscribe and smash the like button.